dear teacher, my dear friends. Today I am going to speak about Independence Day. On this year, we celebrate 77th Independence Day of our country. This is over our nation. The Independence Day is celebrated all over India with great joy and
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. We are celebrating 77th Independence Day. In this occasion, I am going to give a speech. Happy Independence Day to all of you. We are celebrating Independence Day on 15th August. We got independence on 1947. After struggle of 200 years, we are going to pay honor to our legendary freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for our motherland. Indian Navy Air Force organized a parade on this special occasion. Independence Day teaches us the real value of freedom and liberty. On this day, medals and honor are awarded to a selected people. Jai Hind, Jai Mata.
Morning, sir, and my dear friends. Today we are 27th Independence Day. On this occurrence, I am going to speak Independence Day to all of you. Independence Day is most important in the year of the history of India. Independence Day is the Indian celebrate on 15th August. On this day is 1947. India become free from British rule. We pay tribute to our freedom fighters on this day. Thank you. Jai Hind.